Hello guys, welcome back to the series of HTML, CSS and JS. As in our last part we have wrote this code and we gave the name as tutorial for beginners. Okay, so let's continue with the second part. Now we learned that we wrote a body. Today we are going to discuss the heading tag, the paragraph tag, the bold tag, the italics tag, and so let's start. I'm gonna use the same like HTML project. First, let's talk about the headings tag. Now, the headings tag, you can use the H tag to get the headings tag. H basically means heading tag, and if you write H1, then it's the heading 1. Now, as I told you in the last part, that whenever you open a bracket with H1 and then for closing, before the H1, we have to put a forward slash. And then between those two, we can write our content. So, I'll write. So, I'm gonna save it, Control S. And now let's see that if this really turns into a heading. This is the heading 1 tag. So this is called the heading tag, and you can write how many tags you want. Now for example, I'll write H2. Then I'm gonna write H3. So as I continue to write it, then you can after saving, you can go to the Chrome browser and you can see the preview. 1, 2, 3, and boom! See, there is 3 heading tags. This is the heading 1 tag, this is heading 2, this is heading 3. And now let me tell you one thing. This basically H1, here when you see that this one is a little bold and little big, this is because this is our first tag, and first tag always is the size a little big and bold. And here when you see the H2 tag, then you can see that it has reduced its font and even its boldness. You can even see on the heading 3. So basically it means that the H1 is always font size is little bigger than the all. Now if you continue to write till for example H10, then it would be very small like these. So now I think you have understood the heading tag. So now let's go for the paragraph tag. Now in paragraph tag, I'm gonna tell you even the bold tag, italics tag, and the underline tag. So first, for writing the paragraph, you have to use the P tag, which is the paragraph tag. In this, whatever you write will come in a paragraph. Like I'm gonna write now. This is a paragraph tag in which in this whatever you write, it will come in a paragraph. Now I want to give the next one in a bold way, so I can write B-O. Sorry, you can write B, which says that it is in a bold format. So I'm gonna write now. Let's save the project and head over to our Chrome browser to see how it comes. Now you have to refresh. When I press Ctrl R, now you can see that written code using HTML in VS Code. Now I think this will make you sure that this is the P tag or paragraph tag. Now you can see that after paragraph tag, I have used the bold tag, which is B. So it basically means that it is used for bold tag. Now, when I head over, you can see the paragraph tag, and there is two difference between these two. So I want to make it in a different line. So what I will do is I'm gonna use the BR tag. Now what is this BR tag? BR tag separates the line which you wrote with the other one. Like to keep the P tag is used, which is in bold, in the line below it. So I'm gonna save it and I'm using BR tag, which is break tag. Now I'm gonna refresh the website. Now you can see that it automatically came down of the paragraph. So a BR tag basically means that it gives a break between the two sentences. Now we are going to talk about the italics tag. Now what is the italics? Most of you who use Microsoft Word must have been using my italics. So for italics to work in this website, we are going to use the tag I. So basically tag I is the italics tag. So I'm gonna write. So let me give it in B so that it really becomes a bold text. Using the B tag in italics tag. So you can do it and it will appear in the website. So after the bold tag, we are going to write write the bold tag and italics tag. Now, after I save it and go to the Chrome browser and refresh the page, you can see that the under this P tag where I used this I italics tag, you can see the letters are written in italics. But here, on the other hand, when you see the bold text, it is written in both italics and bold. So it basically means that you can use any type of tags in between a tag or how many tags you want. So now let's go for the underline tag. Now for underline tag, I'm gonna use the U tag. So U tag basically what it does, that it will underline the text. So I'm gonna write. So here I wrote the underline tag. So what happens is that all this text which is inside the U tag and U close tag will be underlined. And here I wrote I tag and B tag. So it means that this will be in bold italics tag. Like here on the Chrome browser, first let me save it, Control S, and then let's go to the Chrome browser and refresh it. Wait. Let's separate this part by adding a break using the BR tag. And then here too, BR, which is a break. And now it's done. First, let us save the project, Control S, and then Alt Tab. So now when I refresh this, you can see that first we have written this in paragraph, which is a normal text, and this we have written in bold, and this in the italics and bold italics, and this is the underlined sentence, and this is the combination of italics, bold, and underlined. So this is how we do our headings tag, paragraph tag, bold tag, italics tag, and one more bonus I told you, which is the break tag. I hope you liked this video. Then hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll meet you in my next series. Thank you.